All right, boys, day 4. We are in Monticello, Utah. Made it here last night. Dylan said there was not going to be a rain cloud in sight.
It's supposed to be.
It stormed on us till about 10:30 or 11.
Started at 5:30.
Yep.
While we were all in the shower.
Yep.
Tents are open.
Dylan's tent was open.
James' tent was open. I saved.
Dylan saved his life. James saved his life.
Yeah.
This is it. Our little pad.
I saved yours too.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't know about it. Anyway, today we're heading to Moab. We're heading out to Moab, about 110, 120 miles. Thinking about maybe staying there an extra day. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we'll take you along for the adventure. Say bye, Dill. Okay, we're off. Day 4. Give you a little bit of a recap on day 3. So day 3 we rode, we started in Silverton, rode the Ouray Pass, which was really, really fun. Got to meet another rider and a ton of, overlanding vehicles riding that. Really nice, and the cool thing was it wasn't raining on us the entire time, so I think we all appreciated that. So we rode that. We actually smoked some miles. We made it to Utah yesterday. Just before Utah, there was some of the fires that were being controlled, and we came up on a ranger, and he had to turn us around, unfortunately, which cost us probably a couple hours in the grand scheme of things. But he was a super nice guy and gave us a little bit of info about those cows we were talking about a couple days. I guess out here on the National Forest ground, you can get a permit to house these cattle on the National Forest. So that was pretty cool. And I was like, man, there's cows everywhere. How does the guy know which to which? They're black or brown or whatever. And he said they have some kind of tracking system on them. They're not using ear tags. They do have ear tags, but he said they're using some kind of almost like an air tag where they know exactly where all of their cattle's located. So thought that was kind of cool. Let's see, what else did we do yesterday? So we rode into Utah. We stayed at a little place, Mountain Valley Campsites. $39 to stay there, but it was cool because they had showers. They had washer and dryer. Here was the crazy thing. So we get there last night, looking at the radar, everything looks fine. We don't get our tents put up, get in the shower, and it just starts raining hard. It didn't stop raining last night until 10:30. So all of our stuff was wet. Our tents, our sleeping bags, our pads, everything got wet. Dylan's his tent was open. He didn't put the top on. He was in the shower and came back, his tent was flooded out. So it was an interesting evening, to say the least. But made it through. At least we had showers. That was great. I know we all feel awesome because I know we had showers this Wednesday. So anyway, here we are on day 4. We're heading towards Moab. Moab, from that town we stayed in Monticello, Utah, is about 60 miles. However, obviously on the TAT, I think we're about 110 miles out or so. So a little further, obviously, as you can imagine.
one steady stroke.
Yeah, I can rip through all this. This is easy. Till I fall over. Easy till I fall over. There goes James. There he goes. Got a lot of weight on that motorcycle. Oh my gosh, it must be pretty bad up there. Oh, poor James. Jesus. That is hilarious. Poor guy. It must get really rough up there. You see that?
I ain't seen nothing.
Hey, it ain't easy being a big dog and doing big dog shaft.
Go on and try with this one.
Hey! What happened? Holy shit!
I'm gonna try and go on that side.
Okay. Here we go.
trees.
Yeah,
They cross over, and now it's just like desert.
that's true. Yeah, that's a good point. Looks like something got burned up around here, huh?
A lot of it. Oh, here comes a little putter.
Say somebody's coming?
Smoked the tree.
James did.
Did you say somebody was coming? Took all the bark of it. I don't know if he laid it over. Did you lay it over?
I hit them trees.
They're all up in the tree.